Hey friends, a lot of users asked how to reinstall Microsoft Store apps in Windows. The reason is that there is no one option to uninstall an app from the Microsoft Store. Okay, so I have apps installed on my system, but I can update them, but I cannot uninstall and reinstall them. That's because Microsoft Store is not the location to uninstall all of these apps. It has a fixed place. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you'll find apps here. So let's say that the app is, which one should I choose? VLC Media Player. Click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again and remove it. Okay, completely. Next, next, uninstall, done, finished. Now to install it again, search for it in the Microsoft Store, open the app, and then it hasn't been uninstalled yet. It will be uninstalled after I restart my system, but then you can click on install here to install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.